Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML head elements and other elements we can place inside the head element. Quickly, let's start. Right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML title element. The title element defines the title of the document. The title must be text only, and it is shown in the browser's title bar or in the page tabs. The title element is required in HTML documents. The content of a page title is very important for search engine optimization, which is SEO. The page title is used by the search engine algorithms to decide the order when listing pages in search results. The title element defines a title in the browser toolbar. The title element provides a title for the page when it is added to favorites. The title element displays a title for the page in search engine results. So try to make the title as accurate and meaningful as possible. So for example, quickly let's get back to our document to see how it looks. Right now our document is looking empty right now. As you can see, I want you to notice this upside here. At the top here, I want to change something there using our title element. Back to our document. The A is our document where we discuss about the head element. So if you don't watch the tutorial yet, check our previous tutorial on the head element. So right now, let's use our title element inside this head element. Write title. The title is having opening and closing tag. Now write something reasonable there, like top 10 strength, which is our company name. We're having our company name here. Let's save it and reload our document. You are going to see, be looking at this place, it's going to change automatically. Can you see? It's changed to the name we placed there, which is top 10 strength. So, and you can place anything you want to. You can write anything you like inside this place that is reasonable. That's the benefit of using the title element. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much.